My name is Mark Reynolds. I'm Vice President of Operations at Mississippi Steel Processing, located on the campus of Steel Dynamics. We are a toll processor of flat-rolled sheet and slit material. We process anywhere from 0.15 up to 5/8 thick. Being in Columbus, Mississippi, we service the south, east, and west, easily reaching all of those markets. Mississippi Steel Processing opened in 2011. We service a variety of industries from line pipe to automotive, HVAC, and a variety of others. Mississippi Steel Processing has 300,000 square foot under roof, so we're able to store, warehouse, finished product, as well as master stock. I've known Redbud Industries for a number of years, worked with them on several other projects. But when Mississippi Steel went down the road of looking for a stretcher leveler, we felt that Redbud Industries was a leader in stretcher level technology. The Redbud stretcher leveler was a game changer for Mississippi Steel Processing. It'll allow us to penetrate markets that we were not able before the installation of this line. We are now able to achieve a flatter product than we could with our old equipment. When we chose to put a line in, we had no idea the amount of industry interruption we were going to have. Redbud Industries worked with us to get the installation up and running with no delays. From commissioning to running production on our new line, it has been seamless. In our first month of production, we were able to run north of 6,000 tons. That exceeded our expectations by about 2,000 tons. Redbud service technicians did an outstanding job in the installation of our piece of equipment. We know we always can rely on Redbud service to log in and help us with issues going forward. The product mix that we have is a very challenging mix. The equipment that Redbud supplies to us allows us to be able to run the floor plate, the hot roll heavy gauge, the entire mix of business as our customers demand tighter and better product. As a toll processor, our people and our equipment manufacturers make the difference for us in the marketplace. That's why it was easy for us to choose Redbud for this project.